Summer season, a lot of kids have stomach bugs.
Yeah, right, right.
And well, how to come to know that it's a stomach bug and we need to work on it?
Okay.
What are the
Signs,
signs your
yes,
child will
yes.
show?
So usually stomach bug में signs which the children show are the most common is diarrhea, that is the
Hmm.
loose motions, the vomiting, and if a child is like above 2 3 years, where they can indicate to tummy pain. Otherwise, the
Hmm.
smaller babies will just keep on crying. So and many a times it is also accompanied with a fever also. So these are the
Hmm.
major signs that you can identify the stomach bug.
And then what can be done for stomach bug?
Okay. So for stomach bug, I'll recommend hydration first, patience of the parent second, and medications last, right?
Okay.
So hydration means offering lots of fluids, and in any kind of stomach bug or diarrhea, ORS, and that also the WHO formulation, not just any
Okay.
ORS. I mean, the parents should always read the label. It should be mentioned like WHO formulation ORS. That can be offered to the baby, coconut milk, then homemade fluids, and again the sugary drinks will increase the diarrhea. So no Glucon-D, no market wale juices, not even the homemade juices should be given in diarrhea to the baby. Okay. And second thing which I told patients, because it will take some time, 3 to 4 days, the diarrhea will take. Many parents come and say, "Ma'am, theek nahi hua," within 1 or 2 days, and unnecessary antibiotics will actually worsen the diarrhea in this case. And the third are medications. So if you reach the WHO guidelines, it says only zinc supplement to be provided in children less than 5 years of age. Plus some supportive medicines like probiotics we usually recommend, or if the child is having fever, then we give paracetamol. And very important thing is the parents should monitor the child for the urine count and the activity levels at home. Because summers में stomach bug होता है, already इतना गर्मी होता है, बच्चे और water lose करते हैं. So there are a lot of cases of dehydration in the summer. So यूरिन चेक करना है, एक्टिविटी लेवल्स देखना है बेबी का, अगर ये दोनों ठीक है then the baby is doing fine. Right.
And what about those stomach bug के लिए we take one medicine albendazole like every 6 months?
Okay, yes. So that is not actually stomach bug. Those are the stomach worms we are talking.
Worms,
Stomach
okay.
bug is like viruses or bacteria, जिसको हम tummy flu बोलते हैं.
Okay.
So जो worms होते हैं, those are the medications we take is prophylactic, because छोटे बच्चे होते हैं, कहीं भी हाथ लगा के मुंह में डाल दिया. We don't know. We cannot keep everything 24/7 clean. So the worms medication is albendazole, which is given every 6 monthly after 1 or some guidelines say 2 years of age, till the child is school going, मतलब जब तक इतना समझ आ जाए, personal hygiene खुद maintain करने लग जाए. So that's just a prophylactic thing.
So I want to ask you that is it important to give after every 6 months, or we can skip also?
It's not recommended to skip, and it's a harmless medication, just one-time medication without any side effects. So I'll not recommend you to skip it, because as I said, 24/7 बच्चे का हाथ clean रखना is impossible.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
somewhere or the other they'll introduce the worms in themselves. एक आधा worm is usually harmless, but what if they multiply in your body? What if they reach the brain? Okay, we have seen cases of the worms, eggs reaching the brain and all. It can be severe. Sometimes we do see इतने worms हो जाते हैं, intestine को obstruct कर लेते हैं. So if just one medicine once in 6 months is it is not causing any harm. So in India, there's a National Deworming Day also in Feb, where every kid is provided free by the government, especially in the government schools. They provide like one tablet to every kid.
Okay, nice.